Welcome to Serene Shelter, your guide to renter-friendly upgrades. I'm thrilled to dive into making a rental feel like a home. Today, we're sharing 16 renter-friendly design upgrades that are stylish, temporary, and totally doable. Grab your notepad and let's get started on creating a home that truly reflects you. Those plain white walls in a rental can feel uninspired. Enter peel and stick wallpaper. Just peel off the back and smooth it onto your walls for an instant dose of color, pattern, or texture. When it's time to move out, it peels right off without a trace of damage. With so many incredible designs out there, you're sure to find the perfect match for your style. Let's talk kitchens. A dated backsplash can really cramp your style. Removable backsplash tiles or sheets come in a variety of materials and adhere easily to your existing backsplash. When it's time to move on, simply warm them up with a hairdryer and peel them off. Rental flooring isn't always the most inspiring. Temporary flooring options like peel and stick tiles and floating floors are a renter's dream. Just peel off the backing and stick them down. Floating floors are another fantastic option, sitting directly on top of your existing floor. When it's time to move, simply disassemble and say goodbye to your temporary flooring transformation. Let's talk wall decor. Every space needs a personal touch, and that includes those bare rental walls. Meet your new best friends, command hooks and strips. These little lifesavers use adhesive to securely hold your decorations without leaving any marks behind. Use them to hang artwork, create a gallery wall, or even add some functional storage with hanging baskets. The possibilities are endless, and your security deposit will thank you. Builder-grade light fixtures in rentals don't exactly scream personality. Swap them out. Most rentals allow you to change light fixtures as long as you replace the originals when you move out. It's an easy and impactful way to infuse your personal style. Area rugs are like magic carpets for your floors. They define spaces, add warmth and texture, and completely transform the look and feel of a room. In a living room, a large area rug can anchor the seating area and create a cozy conversation nook. Plus, when you move, you can simply roll up your rug and take it with you. Window treatments play a crucial role in a room's ambiance. Curtains instantly add a touch of elegance and sophistication, while blinds offer a more streamlined and modern look. They're completely removable. Just be sure to measure your windows carefully before you buy. Inherit a hand-me-down sofa or snag a great deal on a used armchair, but the fabric leaves something to be desired? Furniture covers slip right over your existing upholstery, instantly updating the look and feel of your pieces. Plus, they're removable and washable, perfect for protecting your furniture from spills and stains. Wall decals are like temporary tattoos for your walls, fun, easy to apply, and just as easy to remove. Use them to create a focal point above your sofa, add a touch of whimsy to a child's room, or inject a bit of your personality into your space. When you're ready for a change, simply peel them off and apply a new design. Floating shelves are a renter's best friend for adding storage and display space without bulky bookcases or permanent fixtures. Use them to display books, plants, decorative objects, or even create a minibar area. When it's time to move, simply unscrew them and patch the small holes left behind. If your rental kitchen is short on counter space, a portable kitchen island might be the answer. These versatile pieces offer additional prep space, storage, and even a spot for casual dining. Roll one in to create a central hub for cooking and entertaining, then tuck it away when you need more floor space. Open concept living spaces are all the rage, but sometimes you need a little separation. Decorative room dividers can create distinct areas within a larger space, providing a sense of privacy and visual interest. They're easy to move and rearrange as needed. Swapping out basic cabinet knobs and drawer pulls can make a world of difference. Choose hardware that complements your personal style, whether it's sleek and modern, rustic and charming, or somewhere in between. Save the original hardware so you can switch it back before you move out. Indoor plants not only add life and color to your space, but they also purify the air and create a sense of tranquility. From low-maintenance succulents to statement-making fiddle leaf figs, there's a plant for every level of plant parent. Place them on shelves, windowsills, or even hang them from the ceiling to add a touch of nature to every corner of your rental. Who says you need to own your home to enjoy smart home technology? From voice-activated assistants to smart lighting and thermostats, there are plenty of renter-friendly smart home devices. Control your lighting, adjust the temperature, and even play music with just your voice. It's like having a personal assistant at your beck and call. Don't forget to infuse your personality into your space with personal touches like art and photos. Create a gallery wall of your favorite prints, display cherished family photos, or showcase your own artistic creations. These personal touches are what truly make a house a home. So there you have it, 16 renter-friendly design upgrades that will have your rental feeling like $1,000,000 without breaking the bank or your lease agreement. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching.